Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the media and accessing Lenovo's boot controls. First, plug a known good bootable USB into a rear port. Once done, press the Novo button or F12 at power on to open the menu. You should check firmware mode, UEFI versus legacy, because that determines partition format and file system. Make sure Secure Boot is off if your media isn't signed, and verify the USB is detected. This prevents the common, checking media, hang at startup. Once you have firmware access, focus on the media itself. Create the USB correctly. Use Rufus or the official media creation tool, select the matching ISO, and choose GPT with UEFI and FAT32 for modern Lenovo machines. This avoids compatibility errors. You should verify the ISO checksum to ensure integrity, because corrupted images produce the checking media loop. After making the drive, return to the Novo menu and explicitly select the USB. Now boot the installer and complete repair or installation steps. You'll run startup repair, disk checks, or the desired installer routine. Once done, install chipset and storage drivers and update the BIOS to prevent reoccurrence. Make sure to restore Secure Boot if required by your OS once everything is stable. If you still hit checking media, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Recreate the USB on a different machine and use a different port or cable. That often reveals a bad write or a faulty USB port.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.